Have you ever raised your hands, poured your heart out to Allah, and then silence? No change. No sign. Nothing at all. It's a heavy feeling. And you start to wonder, am I doing something wrong? Why isn't Allah answering me? This question isn't new. Even the most righteous people have asked it. But the answer is deeper than a simple yes or no. The truth is, Allah always answers dua, but not always in the way we expect. Sometimes He gives us exactly what we ask for. Sometimes He delays it because the timing isn't right. Sometimes He gives us something even better. And sometimes He holds the reward for the hereafter, where it will matter most. So if you feel like you've been asking with no answer, it's not because He's ignoring you. It might be because He's protecting you, testing you, or saving something greater for you. We're used to instant results. We live in a fast world. Search, click, done. But dua isn't like that. Dua isn't a transaction. It's a relationship. It's about pouring your soul out to the one who already knows every word, every tear, every heartbeat. And then there's this. What if what you're asking for would actually harm you? You might ask for a person to stay in your life, or a job you think will make you happy, or a move that seems like the answer to everything. But Allah sees what you don't. He knows what would destroy your peace. So when He withholds, it may be His way of saving you, even if you don't understand it yet. Sometimes Allah delays the answer not to punish you, but to pull you closer. Think about it. How often do we turn to Him with full sincerity except when we're desperate? What if this moment of need is exactly what your heart needed to come alive again? And yes, sometimes we need to look inward. The Prophet reminded us that our dua can be blocked by the way we live. If we feed ourselves from haram, ignore our duties, or distance ourselves from sincerity, how can we expect our words to reach the heavens? But here's something just as important. When you make dua, do you believe it will be answered? Do you really believe that Allah is listening? The Prophet said, "Call upon Allah with certainty that He will respond." When you ask while holding on to doubt, it weakens the power of your prayer. But when you ask with full hope, with full trust, that's when it becomes powerful. The act of making dua itself is a gift. It's not about the outcome. It's about turning your heart toward the one who never abandons you. It's a sign that your faith is still alive, that your connection is still there. Even if you don't see the result yet, He hears you, always. So don't stop. Keep asking. Keep hoping. The answer might already be on its way. And if not, what He gives instead will be better than anything you imagined. Subscribe for more animated Islamic reminders like this, and never lose faith in the power of your dua.